Hey, hi everyone. This is a short tutorial where I am going to show you how you can create realistic portraits using Procreate on your iPad. Drawing a portrait using Drawing Guide is, I think, the best technique to create good portraits like this. I have a dedicated video on how to set drawing guides on Procreate. You can find a link here. In this video, I am going to show you how to start drawing your portrait and use drawing guides in the best possible way. So let's get on with it. Okay, the first thing is dividing the grid lines with your eyes. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. See the squares here? Let's start by putting a point just in the middle, dividing it into two halves. And if we divide it further, we get 1/4 of a square. Now let's divide this line in thirds. Divide them once more and you get 1/6 of a square. In the same way, if you divide 1/4 of a square, you get 1/8 of a square. Now let's try drawing a curve joining the two half marks, then half and a 1/4, and 1/4 and a 1/8. See the angle of inclination here? So this is very important to know. Okay, we are done with a little practice here. Now let's see how this comes in handy in a real drawing. Let me turn on reference image, adjust the drawing guides. I'll start with dry ink brush, set the color to black. Get the center between the two eyes as the center point. Now looking at the reference image, I can see the right edge of the face is about 2 and a 1/3 of a square left. So let's put a mark here and we'll put a mark on the upper grid. Looks like 1/4 to me. Now you just have to draw a curve joining these 2 points. Next point is 1/3 from below. The next point is tricky. It's not exactly half nor it is 1/3. So let's take a point approximately between 1/3 and a half. Let's go down. Let's fast forward to finish the sketch like this. Let me put the canvas and the reference image side by side. So there you go. In my next video, we will put colors and shadings. Please like and subscribe so that you don't miss it. Thank you and see you later. Bye.